What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to make this video real quick and I'm going to give you the secret drink that you can actually drink it with no side effects, but it will help you to clean the toxins in your body and also make you lose weight faster. I personally tried it and the results are super good. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about my experience and also to give you what is that mysterious amazing drink. But first, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and like this video, turn on your post notifications and enjoy my content. So I'm going to tell you about my experience. I actually tried this drink for almost 2 weeks and it's maybe 10 days, not full 2 weeks. So I tried it because I heard that it's really good, and I started, like, I had some you can say dirt or some rocks in my kidney and liver, and I had like my colon was really full of toxins, and that was the reason why I was gaining weight for no reason. So that was why I gained weight, because my colon was full of toxins. So I tried this drink and it's really effective. Like, you can see results from day 3. It's really good. I'm going to tell you how to do this drink because it has I saw a lot of ways to do this, but the way that I did it and it actually worked, I'm going to give it that to you. So yeah, so I used this drink, as I said, for almost 10 days, like almost 2 weeks, and I saw results from day 3. So what happened is really surprising, and I thought that this was wrong, like this should not be happening, but I called the doctor and he told me that, like, I had rocks in my kidney area and all this. So it just, without any surgery, they're gone. They disappeared because of this secret drink. And also, I lost more than 5 kilograms while drinking this drink. So it's really amazing. And also, half of my colon, like, I can feel it in myself. I am more you can say fresh. I am more light, so my colon was also getting off the toxins in it. So that was a big hard part, that a lot of people actually find it really hard to clean your colon. So that drink is like perfect for losing weight, cleaning your colon, and get rid of any dirt or rocks in your liver or kidney areas. So it's really good. So let's go and tell you how you do it. So it's really easy. You just need a cup of water and a small ingredient. Let's go. So all you need is a lemon. Okay, you have to wash this lemon because you're going also to use the peel. Okay, you're going to use the, here, I forgot what it's. So you're going to cut it in half. As I said, I'm going to give you the recipe for a beginner. First, as a beginner, as the first week, you have to drink half a lemon for like the first, not week, but like the first 3-4 days. And then when you actually feel like you can actually drink more, you drink the whole lemon. So first you're going only to use half of this. So you're going to cut it 4 pieces. I'm going to tell you why you need to wash it. So you're going to cut it in 4 pieces. Okay, and right now you need to bring a cup. Okay, so you need a cup, and in this cup you have to just let the juice. You're just going to put the juice in here. It's all the juice. Put all the juice in here. That's necessary, okay? You cannot skip any steps that I'm giving right now. You have to do them all. The juice, it's fine if some of the grains come here, it's fine. And just as something like not to do, if you are in your period, you cannot drink this drink because lemon will stop your period. Okay, let me finish this and I'll come back to you. So I put the juice here, and with those, do not throw that away. So the thing that I told you, you have to water them is because you need some water and something you can actually put on fire. So you're going to put the skin here in the water. Okay, and right now I'm going to put them I'm going to boil them for 20 minutes. Okay, so right now I'm boiling them for 20 minutes, but I want you to I want to say something. I know some people are struggling with a lot, like a high level in acidity in their stomach, so that drink cannot be drinked by you. You should not drink this drink. So if you have a high level in acidity in your stomach, this drink is not for you, okay? Because the lemon has acidity in them, so it could harm you. Okay, and also, even though I tried them and I tried this drink without consulting a doctor, but after seeing some dirt on my undies or anything, I thought that was something wrong. So I asked the doctor, and he was like, no, that's like the rock inside your kidney is actually it's disappearing, so that's how it actually gets out of your body, with some dirt on your panties or in your pee. So I did not consult a doctor before doing this. Like, I started drinking it, and before I asked if it's normal, and it was normal. But for you, you have to ask your doctor if you have any type of allergy or any type of sickness. You have to ask your doctor before trying this, okay? It's for your own good and for your own health. Okay, but I do not have anything wrong with me, no allergic, no sickness, nothing at all. So no disease or nothing at all. So I just had this rock in my kidney, and it's disappeared right now. So I'm free of any type of sickness, diseases, or allergics. So for you, you have to consult a doctor before trying this, okay? Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. It's boiled enough. So I'm going to put the water here. And those, if you are not sure if the juice from those are done, you can actually put water and boil them again. But after making sure that there's no more juice in them, you have to throw them, so that's the magical secret juice. Also, I want to say something before drinking this is that if you take any type of medicine, do not try this, okay? Ask a doctor, consult a doctor before using this drink or any type of drink that you might hear about them, okay? So let's drink it. Okay, so right now we're going to drink this. Make sure it's not like, it doesn't have to be hot to drink it. Make sure you cool it before actually drinking it, because drinking it hot will not give you any type of will not like help. Like it doesn't matter if it's hot or warm or cold, but just like for not burning your tongue, make sure you cool it before. So we're going to drink it. It's hot, it's still hot, oh my god, but we're going to drink this. You have to drink this on an empty stomach, okay? First thing in the morning or last thing before going to sleep. If you're going to drink this on an empty stomach, just wake up, drink some 3 cups of water, and then drink this. And if you're going to drink this before going to sleep, make sure you drink it before 3 hours before going to bed. And also, if you cannot, like if you tried it on an empty stomach and you felt like the taste is really bad, you can actually eat breakfast, and after 1 hour you can drink this. 1 hour, or if you can starve yourself a little bit for 4 hours, you can, after breakfast, 4 hours after breakfast, you can take this, okay? But it's more like it's preferred more to drink it on an empty stomach or last thing in the night, okay? So we're going to do this. It's really hot, but whatever. Okay, no, it's really hot. I almost burned my tongue. So I'm going to wait for it to cool more, and then I will drink it here for you to see that I'm actually drinking it. I've did this for 10 days, so I am kind of used to the taste, but yeah, it's always like savory, and it feels like no, like you're not, but try not to give up drinking this, okay? But also do not drink it for just 3 days and then just like, no, I'm done drinking this. No, you have to keep on drinking it, but not more than a month, okay? So it's cooled enough, let's start drinking this. Just as a little bit of like advice, if you want, try to take time while drinking this, okay? You don't have to finish it with like 5 minutes, just finish it. It might take 10 minutes, it might take 20 minutes, it might take half an hour. Just take your time. And also, if you are a beginner, you never drink this before, take your time. You don't have to rush and drink it, okay? So yeah, and if you feel, if you did this cup and like it's really big, if you feel you do not have, like you cannot continue this, it's fine, throw the juice. It's fine, it's completely fine, okay? Like, do what your body tells you to do, okay? Take your time while drinking this, and if you feel like you cannot drink anymore, just throw the juice. It's fine, okay? Let's drink this. I'm going to speed that up. So that was everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you really did, and if you're going to try this out, please comment down below. And it's really effective. You can see results within 3 days. It's so good. So that was everything. I hope you enjoyed. I see you in my next video. Bye.